Welcome to this Adobe After Effects tutorial. Let's dive right in. Selection of layers. If you have some layers in the middle or elsewhere that you don't want to include in your selection, start by selecting only those layers. Then, right-click and choose the option called Invert Selection. This will automatically select all the other layers, saving you time and effort. Select all children of a parent layer. If you need to select all the layers that are children of a specific parent layer, simply right-click on the parent layer and choose the option called Select Children. All the child layers will be selected instantly, making your workflow much smoother. Remove all effects from a layer. Finally, if you want to remove all the effects from a layer, there's a quick way to do it. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus E and all the effects applied to that layer will be removed in one go. This shortcut is incredibly handy when you need to clear out multiple effects quickly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs for more tutorials.